How to get a voucher in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a voucher in Shopee. Start by launching the Shopee application on your mobile device. After that, you will get to see an option that says Me located at the bottom right corner of your screen. So tap on Me right here. Next, what you need to do is select vouchers from the menu. You will see a variety of voucher options available to you. Choose any voucher by tapping on it to view its details. Once you've checked out the voucher, go back to explore more options. When you find the voucher you want to use, simply tap on Use Voucher. You will then see all the products where the voucher is valid. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.